Hey everyone, I'm Jordan and this is Box Angle's weekday leadership workshop. Here at the Leadership Workshop, we break down bite-sized lessons to become better people and therefore better leaders in the process. Now last time we spoke about three aspects of leadership: humility, clarity, and courage. Well, today I want to talk to you about leading and managing. Today's quote is, "Effective leadership is putting first things first. Effective management is discipline, carrying it out." Stephen Covey. So let's get into it in part one. We lead people. Imagine a leader as a coin. To me, there are two sides to that coin: leadership and management. The leadership side of things is what I would call the soft skill side. This is how you interact with people, how you treat them, and how you act in front of them, which is really important to remember because we are interacting with people, not positions. We lead people, not positions. Insert huge reoccurring theme of this entire series. No matter what you are doing or what position you are in, people need to come first. And if you're going to be an effective leader, this is especially true. People need to be our primary motivating factor as we learn to lead. It's when we stray from serving people that things break down. Our goals become convoluted, we lose sight of our values, we start serving ourselves above others, we lose track of what our responsibilities are. People need to come first. Part two, we manage processes. On the other side of the coin are the hard skills, the nuts and bolts of how to do things, aka management. This is where you take a look at the processes of your organization. You figure out your goals, such as whether or not people are showing up on time, practicing, completing assignments, etc. Cash flow from fundraising, you get the picture. A famous business saying is, "What gets measured gets managed," which is also part of what we should be doing. We cannot just let things out in the wild and expect everything to be hunky-dory. Having our finger on the pulse of processes leads us to make better decisions and take corrective action if we need be. So part three, we need to lead and manage. Great heads of organizations, and really anyone with a formal position, can both lead and manage. They can not only build a vision and communicate it, but they can also implement the processes and procedures to get the group there. Now, it doesn't always mean that they are doing it themselves. Sometimes the best route is to hire a subject matter expert. Said expert can carry out the plans, but it also doesn't mean the head of the organization just leaves it up to the chance either. They still check in and provide oversight and support in order to make sure things are accomplished. So here are the key takeaways. 1, we lead people, not things. Number 2, leadership focuses on the soft skills, how we interact with people. Number 3, we manage processes. Number 4, management is the nuts and bolts side of leadership. Think spreadsheets. And number 5, great leaders should strive to become adept at both. So I hope today's workshop helps you become a better person and a better leader in the process. If you're looking for a little help to help develop your program or for your leadership team, feel free to reach out to me. The best way to get a hold of me is through email, which is jordan@boxangle.com. Also, if you could help me out, there are a couple places these videos get posted to, YouTube and Instagram. If each one of you could share or at one other person, like a band director or a drum major you might think this video would be helpful to, that'd be great. You can find us on the web at boxangle.com, on Instagram where our handle is @boxangle, or you can search on Facebook for Box Angle Bands. As always, thanks for stopping by. See you next time.